So what's up guys, it's Prosper here again, and here's another video. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can set up or how you can build or you can create um, a carrier shipping website, which we can also call a logistic website, or a shipping website where you send and receive packages and you can be able to track the package and where it's at, the location and the rest. So quickly, for you to get started on getting your logistic career website, first of all you need to get a hosting and a domain, which is very compulsory. Yes, very compulsory. You have to get a hosting and domain if you want to make it a business. But if you want to just learn it without, you can get some local server such as Laragon and Zamp, and you can use them to do the setup, but there is no much assurance for full functionality. But to get it fully functional, you need to get a live hosting and a domain. So I recommend you using Bluehost. So my affiliate link is going to be on the description of this video. You can use it to purchase the hosting and the domain. Yes, when I say this, that you use my affiliate link, it is very essential for both of us, because I get paid of a commission and you also get a discount. So it's a win-win for both sides. So ensure you get started using my affiliate link to get your hosting and your domain. So I highly recommend using Bluehost, or you can use Hostinger. So we also have Hostinger. Hostinger also is a very top-notch hosting and domain service company. You can, my affiliate link is going to be on the video description, and you can also use also use Namecheap. This is one of my favorites. Namecheap, they are so fantastic. They actually started with Namecheap, and I get a lot of experience, and it's user friendly. So my affiliate link also is on the video description below. And I also have another site. These are my recommended sites that I have used and I'm assured. So if you get any of those, they are awesome. Your project is going to run successfully, right? Your project is going to run successfully. So I also have Web Manager. Web Manager, that is the one I'm going to use for this video tutorial. They have great service. The service also is awesome. And you can also use SiteGround, right? You can also use SiteGround. SiteGround, I haven't used them, but most of my mentor does. It's just that their packages is pretty more kind of expensive, if I may say, right? But not very expensive. As you can see, starting from just $4 per month, you pay for um hosting. I guess this should be a hosting. Yes, so SiteGround is also, let me see their web hosting. So let's click on start now. So this $4, this $6, this $10 is not that expensive, but they're good. They have awesome services. So once you've gotten your hosting and your domain, if you want to get your hosting, ensure you use the web hosting, right? Web hosting, you click on web hosting, you click on get started, you just get any of which is at the range of your budget. Same thing also if you're on Namecheap. If you're on Namecheap, right? If you're on Namecheap, you go with shared hosting. Okay, you go with shared hosting. That is what is going to work for this project. Don't go for WordPress or any kind of this. And by the way, I'm also going to show you guys how you can develop this very career service or shipping service website using WordPress too. So it's going to be a WordPress video, but ensure you go for the shared hosting. Don't get a WordPress hosting. I can't guarantee a very good assurance that it's going to work responsively. So without much being said, so let's just dive in straight into the development aspect of this project. So I'll be using Web Manager because that's where I have an account right now. And let me click on login. So you click on services, you click on your service. As you can see, I'm clicking on niche. Then you come right here to this point where it shows log into your cPanel. Then you click on it, log into your cPanel. So we've been redirected to our cPanel. So this is how your cPanel is going to look like. For other web hosting company, which I recommend it for you guys, or to you guys, if I may say, is also going to look something like this, but there might be slight user interface design, but it's going to have same content. So same thing I'm doing right here is what you'll be doing right there too. So just go right to our file manager, and our file manager is right here. You click on it. So we're going to upload the file we will be using. So I created this subdomain for the purpose of this tutorial. So if you are getting your hosting and your domain for this same project we are about to do, you will be working in your public underscore HTML. As you can see, once I clicked on it, because I already have a project on it, so it's like a WordPress project. You can see WP admin, WP content, and WP includes. So you'll be working in your public underscore HTML. I am working in a subdomain because I already have a project on the hosting. So I want to create a new project in that same hosting. So I created a subdomain. So if you want to create a subdomain, this is how you can create. Having been logged into your cPanel, you come on your search right here and just click on domain. Just type domain and you clicked on it. You come right here to this right sidebar or right side of your screen and click on create a domain. So it's same process in creating an add-on domain. Add-on domain is when you get a domain and you want to attach it to an already hosting service that you have. You just come right here. Also, once you've already purchased a domain, and you just type it. Let me say my domain is pinkstech.com, right? If the domain I just bought is pinktext.com and I want to attach it to this hosting, I'll just do the same thing. I'll click on submit, and that's all. But if it's a subdomain, I can just say subdomain dot, then you copy your original domain. As you can see, this is my original domain, so I'm going to copy it and I'm going to paste it in addition. So this I create a subdomain, then you click on submit. So if I click on submit right now, it's going to create that subdomain. So this subdomain is successfully created. So if I click on it, on this I have a home icon right left of it. If I click on it, it's going to take me to the file manager where I can start making my development on it. So that's how I create a subdomain. So this is the subdomain I'm going to use. So after you have clicked on it, you click on upload, you select the file. So I'll be giving you guys access to this resource. If you want to get this resource, ensure you contact me on my WhatsApp number. Is going to be on this video description, or you just click on my channel. Is on my channel description. Just immediately click on my channel, you will just see it boldly. So I'll be giving you access to the resource once you contact me. Then once I give it to you, you've downloaded it, you've kept it in somewhere you know, you just come right here and click on it, and it's going to be uploading. So if you love what we're doing in this channel, ensure you hit that subscribe button, because this channel has a lot of fantastic content that I'll be giving you guys just for free knowledge. So hit that subscribe button in showing of support, yes, so that to support the channel, and you also get notified when a fantastic project just like this is being uploaded. So that's the benefit of you subscribing. So it's very essential. Hit the subscribe button, like, share, comment. So now it's uploaded 100%, but it's still on blue progress bar. You're gonna wait until it turns green. So you're gonna watch how it's gonna turn green. Is when it turns green, that is when it's completely uploaded. It's still uploading, but possibly finalizing its dependencies. So you're still gonna wait. You wait as long as it does its process. So if it's staying too long, you can just get something to get yourself in fun with while we wait patiently. So at last, oh alas, it's a stone green. So now you can just click on go back home. So it's right here. Then we right click on it and we click on extract. We click on extract files. So a file is being extracted, so you click on close, then you double click and enter into it, then you select all and move all outside. We don't want to be working in a folder, we want to be working directly in a domain. Once you click on .com, it should just take us straight to our resources. Or okay, we actually want to develop it using WordPress, so we're just gonna leave it. Let's cancel this, and this is what we're gonna do. So let's go back home. We're just gonna rename this folder. We can just rename it as account. Let's just say account. It's account, okay. Let's say en. Let's use en for English. So let's create a database, or we can just double tap on it. Since we are in, we just Control A, Control C to copy, and we can just be here or anywhere. Just go to a new tab and you hit the enter button. So what we want to do is, okay, let's say we do not have HTTPS. Okay, so we tried browsing it and it showed that site error, which was actually pertaining to lack of SSL security. So I don't know why it just load up now. So let's check if, so I went to check for my SSL, if my SSL is okay. So my SSL is back. You can see it was red, now it's back. That was why it loaded up. So I went to verify my SSL. So to set up your SSL security, if it's delaying or if it's taking time, you can just be on your cPanel. You just type SSL. So I am more proficient using Namecheap in setting up SSL. There's a way you can just go about it, and you're going to manually force install SSL. So right here, you can just click on any of each and browse it. So I can just click on SSL/TLS status. I'll come right here. I'll select the one. So what I did was that I selected this one, then I run auto SSL on it, as you can see. So I only selected the one that I want to run auto SSL on. So currently now the SSL is auto running. It's already installed, so I just showed you what I did. So after that, which is being done, so it's gonna take a time. So since it's installed, I have no busy with that right now. Then you come back and you're gonna browse your site just the way we did it. So currently it loaded me up my installation wizard. So welcome to the installation wizard. So everything is on check, everything is good, we're good to go. Click on next. So your purchase license code, so we have GHT3 C23D 24ch dgxo. Then your username, this is for, let's say Prosper. Then click on verify. So valid license, we'll click on next. Then we're gonna put in our database credential. So to get your database credential, you just come right here to your cPanel and you click on the search data. So first of all, let me check how many available database we have. If we can create, we need to delete one. So I'm already at my maximum. So let me see which one I can delete. So what am I operating on? Okay, pay finance. So that's bad. So release, purchase, signal. So let me just delete. So I just want to delete one of my existing database since it's useless to me. But for you, you are starting for the first time, so you don't have to delete anything because you've not actually used it for many things. So you just search on data, then you click on database wizard, then you enter the database name. So what are we doing? We are creating carrier service, right? So I can call this car. Next, then car rear carrier. Just anything, you can put anything there. You getting it? So I'll just enter any password I'm familiar with in my brain. Then I'll click on create user. So my user has been created. Then I'll check on all privileges. I want my database to have all privileges. I don't want any restriction because I don't know what's like. I just want an excellent state. So first, this is the user, so I double tap on it, Ctrl C to copy. Then I'll go for the user database user, I'll paste it, Ctrl V, and I'll do the same thing for the rest. So for the database itself, I'll copy and I'm gonna paste it right here. Then my host is localhost, so you type local host all in lowercase. Then my database password, I'm gonna enter the password I told you that I'm familiar with in my brain, just for the purpose of tutorials and them and dummy content, you understand? So I click on import. So let's check, it's checking if a database is alright. So database was successfully imported. So I'm gonna click on next step. So I'm gonna copy this credential. These are the credential to my site login. So I can just hover right here and click on notes. So let me open up a notepad and just paste it, so as I can remember, or if I forget, I can have something. So 09731 admin 09731. So now let's log in as an admin so that we can set up some few things on our admin end. So you can see this is so awesome. This is so awesome. So we have it as admin, and our password is what? 09731. So I'll click on remember me and I'm logging in. So I'm logged in successfully. I'm going to save that. So now that I'm logged in successfully, I can just go ahead and change my logo. So let me go and change my logo, my site name, some basic things that are pertaining to general settings. So on my general settings, so time zone, so you can select a time zone in language, currency format, currency position. So all those ones are okay. So let me go to, okay, that's general. So let me go to set company. So my company name is what? Pinks Logistics. Pinks Logistics. So that's my URL. My website is what? .com. And then my phone number. So 090. So that's my phone number in case you want to contact me to get access to this resource. So at the same time, you can just get it from there. So registration, authorization, allow login, yes. Log notification, yes. Then your company logo. So you can just choose any logo of your choice, right? Any logo of your choice, but ensure it's the one you develop. So I also develop logo in case you need a logo. I can design a logo for you. And if you want me to develop this kind of site, I can do that. And those of you learning, you're also learning how to make money online, because when they say make money online, this is exactly how to make money online. So what we are doing now, we're learning how to set up a career service. So you can set up a career service and you use it, you partner with a company, you help them sell their goods, and you get your commission of every sales, and you're making money. So we've done some configuration. So our update is successfully. You can just control F5 to hard refresh. So that has been done. Our logo has been changed. Everything is on point. Then the next thing we can do, so let's go to the next one. So we have the email settings. So send mail. Then the display name. So let's make our display name Pinks Logistics. Pinks Logistics. Then email. So we can update configuration. Then we can set up SMTP. So you're gonna do the same thing that you see me doing. So to create an email account, you can just come right here to you just type on email. It's because I already have that email account, and if I don't, I'll just go ahead and create it now. So fortunately for me, I really don't. So I'm going to click on create. So what I used was info. So I'm going to use my info. Then the password I use, that's what I'm typing. Then I'll click on create. So I've created info. So I can go back to my site again, and reconfirm my password. So smtp dot dash yes info at dash yes. Okay, so we have two mailing system. So this is for our send mail and this for our smtp. So either each, at least one's gonna work for us. So we can go ahead and use the send mail. So email templates. So what message with WhatsApp, activate Twilio, configure Twilio WhatsApp. So if you need a WhatsApp live chat bot, you can go ahead and create a Twilio account and have a Twilio WhatsApp. So you go ahead and insert the WhatsApp number and save configuration. For SMS, if you want SMS, you can also use Twilio for your SMS. Alright, so that's for that. Under our settings, so let's go to the payment settings right here. So for the payment settings, let's check on the payment settings. Then okay, we have wire transfer. Let's go for payment method. So we can add new payment method, right? So let's add a payment method. So payment method, I can call it local bank. Local bank days. Okay, let me just say 1 day. Add the payments method. Okay, that has been added. So let's go back to the payment settings. Okay, let's see wire transfer. Let's edit wire transfer. So payment details. So all these statements you can actually re-edit them. So I'm going to re-edit them. I can say make your payment to this account details, bank UAB, account name, account name, so if you want to donate to, you want to show some love by donating to keep this, to keep us ongoing, you can actually make a transfer to that. It's original. Okay, then let's say for account number, so we have so we can just put those details and we can update the payment method. So you can receive transfer, right? So that has been set. So we also have the shipping rate settings and the likes, shipping mode, package. So we're going to come back and have all of this configured. So I want to show you guys how you can develop the major parts, not like the other parts of this website using WordPress. So let's quickly do that. So let's go back to our cPanel. So on our cPanel, we're gonna type WordPress manager by Softaclos. So we're gonna click on install. Then we're not going to put it in directory. The functional part is in a directory, which is in directory en. So we're going to install this one direct. So user since so you just make sure that you do this one very well, your username and your password. Ensure you change it to your preferred. So I'm not going to change that because I will not be even needing it. So site name, so I can call this Pens Logistics. Then I can say Swift. So let me say Swift package transportation. Swift package transportation. Right? So that's the description of my site. So I'll just go ahead and put in the mail and hit the install button. So WordPress is currently installing to our site. So what do we have? An installation already exists. That was an error. We are not supposed to put it in this domain. We're supposed to choose this the domain we want to use. Logistics. Hope I will not go and cause error. So I hit on install. Okay, we've hit the maximum amount of database created. So let's go ahead and delete one more database again. At the beginning of this video we actually deleted one, so I'm going to delete another one again. So at this point, let's hit the install button once more. So we should be good. We're good now. Voila. So we just click on log into admin. So let's log into admin. So this is the admin of our WordPress. So the first thing I'm going to do is I want to install a theme. I don't want to waste any time, because the longer this video, the longer the size, the bigger the size for upload. So we want to be very fast. So click on upload. So you're going to select the theme. So if you need access to this resource also, there's access to this resource, right? So if you need this theme, you can also contact me on my WhatsApp number. You'll be able to have the theme. It's a paid premium theme, of which I have been using and making up most of my WordPress videos. So it's very responsive. It has a lot of pre-made site templates. So we're actually going to see it in this video. So our theme has been uploaded. So it's uploading. Let's just wait. So our team is installed successfully. So what we're gonna do next is we're gonna hit the activate button. So the next thing we're gonna do is you come right here to where you see my mouse. Under appearance, we have theme, pattern, customize, widget, menu, Floss Pro, install plugins. So you click on install plugins. That's what I want to do right now. So we're going to go ahead and install all that we'll be needing. Not actually all, because they're much. You don't have to install too much plugins on your site, even though it's going to slow down the performance of your site, or is going to make your site very heavy, and this might even crash your site. Believe me when I say it's gonna, because I've gotten a lot of experiences, and sometimes some crash are very fatal that it's gonna affect the database, and you'll not be able to back up, neither will you be able to clone the site. The site is gonna be a wasted effort, and I'm very sure you really don't want to waste any effort in this very short life we are perceiving. So we're just gonna install the ones that are only necessary to also, and the picture is very necessary, so most of which that I'll be picking, that's what you're gonna be picking too, if possible. So let's return to plugin installer, or you can just go ahead and check. We can check on the ones we need. I need Elementor, I need Elementor element pack, I need Flux core element, I need Flux portfolio, I need Flux pro features, I need Flux news, I might need WooCommerce for some reasons, Flux shop, Master Pro slider, um, Revolution slider, hopefully, layer slider. There are some of the template that we'll be needing, various of them randomly. Um, it's not actually all. I need contact form, variation switcher. I need WordPress importer, posts, related posts for WordPress. I need image optimization. I need import and exporting option. I need popular post if possible. I need simple taxonomy ordering. There's okay, I guess auto team of data. I need that too. All these WooCommerce I choose, I don't really think but let's just have it picked. Then let's select option. I want to install all. I click on apply. So there are many ways you can actually delete, or you can go ahead and be installing them one after the other, which is gonna take your precious time, if not a way to just gonna take some shot. Mm-hmm. So there are actually many that we selected, so it's gonna take some pretty time. Okay, so we have tons of them on a successful rate. So let's return back and let's go to activate. Then let's select all. Let's click on activate. You see what I'm doing? Then I click on apply. So each and every one of them are getting activated. And they are all activated right now. So from here, just go ahead and hit this button. Let him just feel like he's doing his job, but we've already done it for him, just to make him rest. You know, there are some things you have to give them their rest. Okay, now from here we can just go ahead and install Elementor Pro. That is Elementor Pro, Elementor Royale. You get. So let's use the normal plugin of ours. So click on plugins. Click on add new plugins. So I'll also be giving you access to this resource. Also, you can contact me on WhatsApp number, and you're gonna have this Elementor Pro, Elementor Royale. So I have all of these resources because I've been coming a long way, so I've gotten some resources with me. So if you want me to be your dedicated vendor on web project, plugins, themes, I can actually be that for you. So this Elementor Pro. So I have as many and any kind of projects you will be wanting, fantastic ones. So you go ahead and click on activate plugin. Alright, so our plugin is activated. So we've activated Elementor Pro, so we can use all packages of the Elementor. So contact me for your Elementor and your Elementor Pro, your Elementor Royale, and a lot of fantastic projects, themes that you'll be needing. So my name is Prosper. Ensure you hit the subscribe button because we have a lot of fantastic projects to give to you. We are here to serve you on every web development knowledge, ICT general and mobile app development, editing, and the rest. So we can just go ahead and choose any template of our choice. So go over to your Floss Pro, click on Demo Importer. So we can just choose anyone. So let's just glance through anyone that suits what we need. We're going to preview it and you're going to see how slick this project is. This construction might almost want to work. Okay, let's keep going. We're gonna see a suitable one. We can actually choose any design we like and change the images and change the purpose and change the text. You understand? You just have to have your own resource. You just choose that design. So you're not designing much. you are only editing, you understand? Because I've seen a lot of designs that I would love to fit in, but I just want to see if they have a dedicated ones that we don't have to do much work. If hopefully you understand what I mean. We can rather search if we want to. We can rather search. But I just feel like to show you guys how powerful this thing is. It's so awesome. This is what I'll be using for top-notch companies, and they love it. Once I give them a service relating or pertaining with these projects, they consent without much wasting. Modern design. And okay, so we didn't actually see any dedicated one, so it's time for us to search. Possibly we overlooked it. So let's say career. So there's none. Let's use shipping. Let's use law. G's. So at this point, we just go ahead and choose any design we want and have it. This one looks, this construction, let's see this construction. It has shipping pattern. Nice. This is just what we need. We don't need to stress much. No, there's no need to stress much. Do you want to stress? Exactly. This is what we need. This is what we need, right? So you come right here and you click on import. Let's preview this one too. I knew I saw it. Almost want to be convinced, but I will still go with this one. This one looks, it has the matured look. So sorry. Let's see this one. Industry. Wow. Industry. Wow. Industry. Nice. 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 But I will still go with that one. So in this case, I'm highly convinced that I can go ahead and have this one. So I click on import. I click on continue. So these are the plugins that are remaining. There should have been many if we did not install those plugins earlier, but these are the ones that we actually did not pick among the list, but are also recommended, or rather required. So you can click on remove watermark and click on skip. Do you have? So let's just import the complete. We don't want to stress, right? We don't want to stress. We just want, let's just import everything. So they are being uploading, so we just gotta be patient. I say upload, downloading rather. So this is WordPress. A lot of people love using WordPress because it is said that WordPress covers over 70% of websites, or let's not overrate it. Let's say 65% of websites online today are being developed using WordPress. So if you love WordPress, this video is just for you. So currently we are importing the content. So the content are being importing. I'm very certain that this templates will be awesome. So I'm going to show you how, even though if your images are being watermarked, there is a way we can do it. We can reuse the image without watermark. So I'm going to show you guys. And as I said, you're going to enjoy this class and every classes that we'll be having. So having been subscribed to the channel will be a great opportunity for us both. So our site is successfully imported. Congratulations. Cheers. Demo has been successfully imported. Okay, we can actually design it from scratch, right? But in this modern age, to enable efficiency and fastness, sometimes you reuse resources you have. Okay, so we can go ahead and preview. Or we can just close it. So to preview it, we can visit our site from here. So this is our site. We can zoom out to make it look a bit sleek. Let's use 100. Okay, 100 look presentable. So this is our site. Our site look awesome. It looks awesome. So what we're going to do now is we are going to edit both the content and the images. Okay, so to edit that, we can just, since we have it been previewed, this is what I'm about to show you. We don't need this, neither do we need this. The one we actually needed. So this one we actually needed. I'm coming, I'm chatting someone. Okay, so this is the original one, right? Like this man, I can right click on this man. I'll copy the image. You see what I'm doing? I'll say open image. First of all, open it before you download it so that you can have the best quality. So I can just wait like um 10 seconds for all the properties of the image to be fully uploaded. So now I can just right click on it and I click on save image. I just save with the name it comes with, so I don't need to stress much. As you can see it, but I'm not sure you can download this background image because it's a slider. So you're just going to have your own image for that. When you want to edit that, like this one, you can download this one. Okay, this one is a hoover, but this one you can download this one. So open image. Did I? So you right click, you click on open image. Okay, it actually did. I did not notice it, so let's just wait. 5 4 3 2 1. Right click, save. So I can close these tabs just to depopulate my tabs. So you can go ahead and download all of those images that yours might be watermarked. Let's see if this side of ours is watermarked. So the end, This one is watermarked, these ones are not. So let's go to the site. So you can just even put warehouse in that one. Don't need to put this building. You can put a warehouse showing logistics. I know what I will. So at this point, let's see for our site. So these ones were watermarked, so you can go ahead and download this one. So you right click, you open image in a new tab, you right click to download, and you save. After 5 4 3 2 1, you see that the image shaked, show that it just balanced. So we right click, open image in a new tab. So if you don't want to use the image, you can go ahead and use another kind of image, but you can preview them to know the image size so that you have the best fitting of your image. So I will just go ahead on the site and say career shipping images. I'll say logistics images. Let me not put PNG. So I can just click on images like this one. I can view this. I'll just wait. 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. Alright, click on it. Open image in a new tab if possible. Then right click on it. Right click on it. Right click on it. Then save image. I always want to get the best. So patient is good. Patient is good in the sense that it will fortunately give you the best. Okay. So I need image for that, my main background. I seen it. I need image for that, my main background. So let me look for a very crazy image. Even this one I downloaded is very crazy. Let me see if I can see a very crazy one. A very crazy one. This image is crazy. Damn. You open full size. So let's wait. Let it upload, finish. This image is what I need. Very crazy one. Hope I'm not using here. Yes, this is what I need. This is what I need. So let me see which one will give me the best code. Let me save it from here. Wow, it's a web image, but I'll go and convert it. I'll not let this one go. So this one that is web file. So what I'm going to do is on this place I'll just say webp to JPEG. Just go online. Everything you need is online. The thing is, how you ask your question matters. How you get your answers, how swift your answer comes, or how delayed it comes. So in 79, so in 79. So they are both in their most quality state. So convert. So my image is converted. So I'll download the converted image. So it became 946. So that image is really nice. So let me just go back to my site. I want to quickly change that one. That one intrigues me the most. So edit with Elementor. Okay, header construction. Let me edit the header construction. Is this one a footer? This one is footer. Edit header. See that image, the way the image palash, that is at the same image. Yeah. Okay, is this header? Okay. So what I need to edit is the main page. I'll just click on edit with Elementor alone. I want to just change that image. I want to see how very nice the site will look. Okay. So Elementor is still loading. Okay, this is the image. So fortunately for us, we saw the image. So let's get those files. Let's just upload all the ones that we have seen. So this is the image. So select it. Wow, nice, great. Okay, so we can just go ahead and save changes. Image resolution full center, no repeat cover. So let's click on exit right here. I really just want to see this face. Wow. So we need to change this man. I shouldn't have even clicked the exit. We need to change that man's face. Let's change him. He should look good. So let's go back to edit with Elementor. So let's change this man. So we're still going to use this same man, but the original image that we downloaded, the way I showed you how you're going to download it. So Elementor is still loading. You just gotta be patient. Okay, so it's completely loaded. So we're going to click on the image. We want to choose. So this is the man right here. We click on it. Then we're going to replace the original image. We're going to replace the watermarked image with the original image. So we can go ahead and change this. So let's secondary, let's say this one will be world class. World class logistics. World class logistics. World class logistics service. Services. World class logistics services. So what we're going to do is we're going to world class logistics services. So let's change this innovation to innovative world class logistics service. So let's see, we can just change the description to we deliver goods and packages to customers and clients around the world. That one is okay. We deliver goods and packages to customers and clients around the world. Okay, so you can go ahead and click on update. So we've updated that. So we come to the next. So this one is actually, so we can change this one image. So we downloaded some images, right? So we can take this one and put it there. It's a small image. Let's say full. You should full it. It's a small image. So let's choose another image. That's why the image you download or the image you have matters. So this one is actually okay. This one too is okay. So that's how you go ahead and edit every single content in the site. You go ahead and edit everything that you want to edit for it. So these ones are for the testimonial. The image, change the image, and every other looks. So what I want to show you guys now is how you can now integrate this your newly developed design front end with the existing front end. So what I'm going to show you guys how you can integrate this front end with the back end, which is the main and functional part of the logistics service. which helps in creating tracking, to be able to track your package, to be able to contact the pickup, everything that we have to do with anything that pertaining to logistics. So we can go ahead and exit. So we're going to create a custom link on our menu. So you come right here to, so the next thing we want to do now is the menu. We want to configure our menu. So appearance, you come to menu. So on the menu, we're going to click on custom link. So to get a custom link, we have to go back to our site right here. So let's log out. So since we logged out, we're going to click on tracking. So click on tracking. So this is your tracking page. So I'm going to copy this link. Control C. See what I'm doing? Then you go back to your menu. You paste the link here. Then you call this tracking. Track. Let's say tracking. Then you add to menu. Then you come back right here to the same place that you are. Just click on the logo. It's going to take you to login. So you copy this link also, this login link, Control C. You come back right here to your menu. You create a new custom link. You paste it right here, and you type in login. You click on add to menu. Then you still go back right here and you click on sign up. So on the sign up page, you're going to copy this sign up, Control C, and you come back right here to your sign up. You paste it on the URL of your custom link and you click on, so you can tag this, okay, create an account. Yes, create an account is okay. Create, to be too long. Sign up. So click on add to menu. So now we have integrated. So then the next thing we can also do is on this page, let's go back home. I want to show you guys something real quick. So as you can see on the menu, we can have them. So these are sites. So on this place, we can, let's see somewhere else. On this particular place here, we can create a button. We can create a button here and target. We can target track your package now, right? So let's quickly do that. Even this button, we can change it to track your package now. So we are going to do that right away. So this button, we want to change this button to track your package now. So let's change this to what? Track your package here. Track your package here. Full stop. Track your package here. So we'll come right here to the link of this track. So you come right here to your site, you click on the logo, or you click on login here. So login will take you here, then you click on tracking, then you copy this link for your tracking and take it back to the page you are editing, the button, paste it right here and click on update. So that is how you can do. You can copy this button, right? I can tap on it, Ctrl D to duplicate, right? Then I can drag this button from here to here. Okay, this is the place it can be. So I can drag the button from there to here. You can have it being multiplied several places. So every button, you can change every button link just the way I showed you that. You can also change this video button link, intro video. You change it, you create a video on YouTube, upload it on YouTube, and you copy the video link, paste it here. So all those things are very, very easy. So you can go ahead and update your site. So what I've done right now is I've showed you guys how you can integrate so this is our site now. So you can go ahead and change your site logo. So you come to customize, and let's say appearance, or let's see site identity, then you see on logo. So you can remove, then you select the logo you want to use. So I can go ahead, let me just go ahead and pick up one of my logos. So let me select that as my logo. So we're having our logo. So your favicon also, you can go ahead right here and change your site icon. Let me see if it will allow me to crop. Okay, I can just use that TJ, but this I will not be able to. Let me see if I can get I like this TJ. So go ahead and publish it. So you had refresh, Ctrl F5. our favicon changed, remaining our logo. Let's go back again. All right. Okay, so let's edit the header. So the logo is very stubborn. You see that it's already changed, so it could be maybe the logo is too big. Don't you think that, guys? It could be the logo is too big. So that means we're going to edit a logo. We're going to reduce this logo size. So first of all, let's know the image size. So what we're going to do is that for you to get this done, let me show you guys how you can think. Now right now I'm thinking. So I'm going to download their logo. Okay, I'm going to download their logo and know the size of their logo. You can see it's very small, so I'm going to save it. Then I will read the property of the logo. You see what I'm doing? So I'll click on details. So it's 169 by 53. 169 by 53. So I'll go back to my browser and I'll say image resizer. Image resizer 169 by 53. So I'll just take the first link. So I'm going to select my own personal image and resize it. So let me see, my own come with dedicated 500, so it's too big for it to apprehend. So 169 by 53. So I'll resize the image. So now we'll download the image. So the image is now downloaded. It 1. So I can now go back to my site. Let's see, we are getting things being done. So in everything you do, you try to initiate ideas and apply. So I can go back to my customize, then I'll go back to site identity. I'm going to change that image, so I'm going to upload a new one. So I'm going to upload the one I converted. So that's my image. I'm going to select that. I'm going to crop the image, and I'm going to use it. So let me hard refresh again. So if it did not change, let's copy it. I'm going to use a new browser. I could be the cookies. Pink Love is a Swift package. Is that everything is going fine? This one I want to change new. So you change in about us page. It will change with time. Once it propagates completely, it will change. So that's our contact us page. So we have the tracking page, right? we have the home page. So we want to do something. Let me show you guys what you can do. Now if I click on this logo, what am I supposed to have? I'm supposed to be redirected back to my main home page, which is my WordPress home page. So I'm going to show you guys how you can change that link. So to do that, you come here. Let's go back to where we have our site being developed. So let's go to File Manager. So in EN, right? In EN, so let's see it's been long I did this last. Hopefully I'm going to get it right. So let's first read this index page. So let's read this index page. So index page says file exit config, then require loader.php, then location install. Okay, so include view dashboard driver, view dashboard index, loader.php, required on loader.php. Let's see loader.php. So this one is not necessary to read. So let's take this login.php. Location index, login, location index, loader. Okay, it's here. So we'll now look for logo. En type echo site title, php site name. Okay, header, bounce, login, logo. Now see the logo, class, logo, link. So we'll now come back right here and copy our site link. Where can we have a perfect, okay, this is it, site link, just this one without the folder. I seen it. So I'm gonna copy it and we'll go back to our login page. So this index.php, we are going to replace it with our main site URL. So that's for the logo. So we also need for the sign up. We're going to do it for the sign up. We're going to do it for the tracking page. We're also going to do it for the forget password page. Those are the pages we are going to. So let's save this one. So we've done for the login page. So let's do for the sign up page. So let's look for sign up page. Sign up page. So this is track. Let's try and track something. So under the track, end of tracking. So this one is tracking.php. Tracking. Okay, this is tracking. So we're going to edit tracking. Edit. So we're going to look for so under views tracking. So we're going to go back to the folder views and look for tracking there. That is what it tells us we should go and look for. So we come to view, then we look for tracking. So tracking.php, as you can see right here. Then I'm going to edit it. Click on edit. Then we'll scroll down and come to logo. So we're looking for the link. As you can see, this is the link. So we are going to replace the logo link with our main home page local link. So we're going to click on save right here. Then on login we have forget password. So on the login page, so let's go to the login page. So let's click on this link. So if we click on this link now, it's going to take us to our main home page. So let's check it out. Okay, maybe because I've not do hard refresh. So let's see forgot password. So it also has a logo. So under forgot password, en forgot dot password dot php. So we can edit for forgot password. So that is F A B C D E F. So it's other views auth forgot password, views auth forgot password. So remember, we've not done for sign up. Views auth forgot password, even that is where sign up is. So click on edit. So look for the logo. We'll look for the logo and we're going to replace it. So click on save changes. We'll do for sign up also. Let's see register. I think register did not have logo. So register did not have logo. Okay, so that means we've done. So let's click on the logo. So as you can see, take us to the main home page. So let's click on login now. So as you can see, let's click on logo, take us to the main home page. So what we've done now, we have completely integrate our sites together. So once you just close those tabs, so we don't work with so much populated tabs. So now let's go back to our site. Let's have been logged into our site. So we can go ahead and create shipment. So to create shipment, we this project is really long and it's very interesting. So let's just take a time and to create shipment. We need to create many things. So let's say shipment tax and fee. We need to create tax and fee. So minimum cost to apply to tax $0. Minimum cost to apply declare at $0, shipment insurance 1%, volume percentage, tax declared, custom duty, weight value. So we can okay, that one is for customer. Company signature, pins, so we've changed that. So this is the terms and condition. So you can go ahead and go ahead and update. So there are pretty settings we are going to do to be able to so those are the status. These are the payment. These are the career company. So we're going to go and set up all of this. Career company, service mode, payment method, delivery status. You can go and customize yours. So let's see this one. Type shipping modes. So that shipping mode, service mode. The next day you can add now. I can even add now. Let me shipping mode now. New service price details. $100 query. If you want it now. So I can add that one. So location, you're also going to set up country, state as cities. So you come right here. These are the ones available. Okay, it has pagination, so you can see all the countries available. Then if you did not see yours, then you can add states. You can see the states pertaining to the country. State is pertaining to the country. Then we have cities. So under cities, we also have cities pertaining to the state, pertaining to the country. So if yours is not there, you can go and add it to be able to complete a package, that you want to track. And then let's see the settings. Miscellaneous. Under have we done payment method? Okay, we've done that. Then let's see miscellaneous. So we have group office, agent group, shipping companies, style and states, logistics service. So we're going to check the office group. So for office group, you can add your own office. Are you getting it? Or you edit this one. So I can say Pinks Logistics Group. Are you getting it? So Pengs Logistics Group. Yes, the rest are okay. So that has been updated. Under settings, under miscellaneous office group, then agency group. So these are the agency group. So you can go ahead and edit it. So this, I can change on to Pinks Logistics Miami. Pinks Logistics Miami. I can go ahead and update that. And then let's see the next one. Shipping companies. So what company? I'm shipping my company with my own company. I don't use anybody's company. I don't use my own company. Pins Logistics Express. I seen it. Pins Logistics Express. This will also be Pins Logistics EMS. This one be Pins Logistics Delivery. So that's how it will be. Then style and states. So style and states. So I can say this one, I can say I want to add new style and state. So status on hold, on hold by who, details of the on hold, being seized, I'm just being held by custom officers at Badagry. So button, I want it to be red. So this project is so fantastic, so fantastic. So I want it very red because now is trouble. If your goods is being held by custom officer, go be. So on hold, being held. I mean, being hold. Okay, it's current. Being held by custom officers at Badagry. So then the next one. So you can create as many as you want. Approve, on hold, rejected, on being held by custom officers at Badagry. Status very red. So we have done some basic settings that we wish to do. So let's see logistics service. Then for logistics service, are you using road freight, or you're using rail freight, or you're using ocean freight, or air freight, or a pipeline freight? So let me say pipeline freight. first. Let me go and see that thing that does about it. Okay. Print. So let me add my own. So I can say pipeline frame. So I can see on the details. So that has been added. So then we can go ahead now and create a shipment. Let's create a shipment. So country code is Miami, PNG's group. So as you can see, notified by WhatsApp, sender's name. So we need to add sender, we need to add receiver. So name Prosper John. Okay, so this project is seriously a work. As you can see, I'm still on it just to ensure that I drive you guys past this successfully. So username, then password. So country. So you see what we're doing. So I'm just going to create a tracking and I'll call this class to a close. So let's quickly create a tracking. So it's going to load up the state. You see that this project is awesome, so greatly powerful. Have you heard such like that? So cities, you're also going to search out the cities. So if yours is not here, you can go ahead and add. I showed you, right? You can go ahead and add. So just leave those ones, you can choose to. So that has been created. So I can go ahead also and create recipient info. So Maria David, Maria Lynn. Then I can just then phone number. I can say okay, she's also the United States. 21201 553 554676. So a country, she's in the United States. So let's look for United States. So let's look for California. So city, so let's look for Compton. So I'm gonna say Compton. So then the next thing I'm gonna do, so I've filled in those two forms. So what am I using? I want to use air frames. Look at the pipeline frames we did. Air frames. I just want, we're still going to set something. So same day, next day. So that will not be 24 to 48 hours. Cash payment, wire transfer, bank transfer. So you can say on hold. Then we can attach file, the file we are sending over. So you just snap the file, then you upload it. So this is where we might seriously have issues, because we need to refill that form again, because we need to add box and packages if possible. But let's just try if the way. So amount, we want to just charge $1,000 for this. Then package description. So you can say a brown paper bag of valuable items. Let's just consolidate that way. So weight 1 kilo, length 12, width 6, height 12, next volume, fixed charge $100, decimal value, I just lay down 0. So let's calculate. So there's an error, there is no configure rate for the selected origin and destination. So I know that is where we need to go and create that thing now. So to send something from where to where, okay, so we need to go and create it. Add shipping, shipment fee rate. So origin country. So where's the country to what country? So let's just say, what did we use as our so let's use as, it seems it's Nigeria to United States, Nigeria to United States. That was what we selected, right? To United States. Then this destination state, we said it was California, right? And destination city, then starting with at 1, ending with 1,100. Rate, price rate 10. Okay, rate price 10. Let's say 100 grand. Add rate. Okay, so let's click on back like this. So it actually loaded it. So let's add box up. Okay, this one is to add. Okay, so add sender. So let's say Prosper, right? Prosper John. Sender address, country Nigeria, yes. Then Maria Lane, address California. Okay, so the F ring, yes, F ring, medium, yes. The next day, wire transfer, bank transfer on hold, select driver, holding row. So you can add driver. Then you can now add shipping rate. Like say you know about this project, or what you mention, so you get that 100. Seriously. So we can now go ahead, and so what we're going to insert in, let's just let's say a brown box this time. A brown box of valuable amount of money. Available amount of money. So let's say amount 100 gram. Then weight, let's just put 1 or 3 kilogram length. Then width 4, height 10. Fixed charge, you want to charge it $1,000. Then decimal value, do I need decimal value? So let me calculate. So it has calculated, it auto generated. So the total amount to be paid will be $1,120. So I can go ahead and save this shipment. So please wait a moment. So shipment created successfully. So now, since this shipment is created successfully, I can go ahead and copy this shipment and go and track it. So the status is what? On pending, and it is on hold. So I can just copy this code, so I can go ahead and edit shipment. I can go ahead and do the payment also, right? I can go ahead and add payment. Maybe I want to add any kind of bill to it. I can go ahead and do that. So I'm going to click on close. Then let me just go ahead and track this package. So one shipment. So this is the tracking ID. I'm going to copy the tracking ID, and then let's go to our site. So tracking.run. Business logistics. So let's log out so that we can see the main view. So this is the main view of our site. Look how professional it is. So you can go ahead and track your package here. So it takes us to the tracking page. So let's get our tracking number. So this is our tracking number. Okay, I clicked on it. So we just put in the number here, then we'll click on search now. So this is our package, as you can see on hold. Shipment created this time. So you can download the file if it's a video, if it's a short clip, if it's a GIF, if it's an image, it's going to be there. So description, that's it. So it looks so slick. So they can go ahead and print the shipment. So let's click on print. So as you can see, looks so great. It looks so great. So this statement, Pink's Logistics. So that's nice. This is so nice. Alright, so at this point I guess we have learned how to build a career service shipping company, and I'm very sure you guys love this video. So if you love what you just watched, give this video a thumbs up by liking it, and sure you're subscribed to our channel, and sure you make a comment. And if you have any question to ask, write it on the comment section below. I'll be very willing to answer every question. So at this point, thank you guys. See you in our next class. Bye for now.